Hello learners. Last lecture we have discussed delta to star. So today we will discuss the star to delta transformation. Okay. We have derived the equation R1 equals to R12 R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. R2 is equal to R12 R23 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31, and R3 equals to R23 R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. Now multiplying equation. Now let us say we multiply equation 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 3 and 1, and adding all we get, let us say, first case of multiplying equation 1 and 2. If we multiply equation 1 and 2, we will get R1 into R2 equals to R12 square R23 R31 the whole divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 the whole square. Okay. Same way, if we multiply 2 and 3, we will get R2 R3 equals to R12 R23 square R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 the whole square, and multiplying equation 1 and 3, we will get R1 R3 equals to R12 R23 R31 square divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 the whole square. Since the LCM of all the term is same, so we can directly add, then we can get that R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3. So here we can get R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 equals to R12 square R23 R31 plus R12 R23 square R31 plus R12 R23 R31 the whole square divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 the whole square. Now you can see here R12 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 R23 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 R31 R31 R31, isn't it? So we can take this term outside the bracket, so we'll get R12 R23 R31 into R12 plus R23 plus R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 the whole square. So this and this term will get cancel out. We are left with R12, R23, R31 the whole divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. Okay. Till here anybody served out? Please let me know. Okay. Now here it is R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1. Now dividing this equation with the above equation, we can get with this equation, okay, we will get, let us say, R1, R2, R2, R3, R3, R1 the whole divided by, let us say, R1 equals to R12, R23, R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. This term is divided by this R12, R31 is here. R12, R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. So this term and this term is cancelled out. R12 is cancelled out. R12 is cancelled out. Then R31 is cancelled out. R31 is cancelled out. So you are left with R12, sorry, R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 divided by R1 equals to R2, 3. Okay. So you will get R23 is equal to R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1 the whole divided by R1. Or if you divide individually, you will get R2 plus R3 plus R3. So I can write R2 plus R3 plus R2, R3 divided by R1. So R2 3. You can see here 2 3 2 3 2 3 divided by the remaining one. Okay. So same way can I write R12 equals to R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 upon R3. Okay, same way for R31 equals to R3 plus R1 plus R3 R1 upon R2. So this is how you will get delta from a star connection. So it is sum of the star resistance taken two at a time divided by the opposite resistance. I hope you get the idea. So this is, suppose it is star, suppose it is delta, then you have to convert it into star. I hope you get the idea of how to convert delta to star and star to delta and delta to star. I hope you get the clear idea. If you have any doubt, write down on the comment section. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next class.